नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आजच्या नवीन व्हिडिओमध्ये आपलं स्वागत. आजच्या व्हिडिओचं टायटल आहे वर्कॅबिलिटी ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट अँड फॅक्टर्स अफेक्टिंग द वर्कॅबिलिटी. या दोन मुद्द्यावरती आपण आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये माहिती घेणार आहोत. मित्रांनो, हा व्हिडिओ आवडला तर जरूर लाईक व शेअर करा व आपण या चॅनलवरती नवीन असाल तर चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करण्यासाठी विसरू नका. चला तर पाहूया वर्कॅबिलिटी ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट. प्रथम आपण आजचा सुविचार पाहूया. जो काळानुसार बदलतो तोच नेहमी प्रगती करतो. तर प्रथम आपण वर्कॅबिलिटी म्हणजे काय बघूया. वर्केबल कॉन्क्रीट means the concrete which can be placed and can be compacted easily without any segregation are called as workable concrete. Workability is a vital property of concrete and related with compaction as well as strength. The desired workability is not same for all type of concrete. More workability is required for a thin inaccessible section or heavily reinforced section rather than a mass concrete body. Hence, we can't set a standard workability for all casting work. Compaction and workability are very close to each other. Workability can also be defined as the amount of useful internal work necessary to produce full compaction. आता आपण the factors affecting the workability याबद्दल माहिती घेऊया. वर्कॅबिलिटीला परिणाम करणारे घटक कोणकोणते आहेत. पहिला घटक आहे वॉटर कंटेंट ऑफ द कॉन्क्रीट मिक्स. दुसरा घटक आहे द साइज ऑफ ॲग्रिगेट, द शेप ऑफ ॲग्रिगेट, सरफेस टेक्स्चर ऑफ ॲग्रिगेट, द पोरॉसिटी ऑफ ॲग्रिगेट, ग्रेडिंग ऑफ ॲग्रिगेट्स, यूज ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट ॲडमिक्चर्स आणि टेम्परेचर. हे 8 महत्त्वाचे मुद्दे फॅक्टर्स जे आहेत ते वर्कॅबिलिटीला परिणामकारक आहेत. तर आता वन बाय वन आपण त्याची माहिती डिटेलमध्ये पाहूया. तर पहिला जो फॅक्टर आहे वॉटर कंटेंट ऑफ द कॉन्क्रीट मिक्स. वॉटर कंटेंट विल हॅव इम्पॉर्टंट इन्फ्लुएन्सेस ऑन द वर्कॅबिलिटी इन गिवन व्हॅल्यूम ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट. द हायर द वॉटर कंटेंट पर क्युबिक मीटर ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट, द हायर विल बी द फ्लुइडिटी ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट विच अफेक्ट द वर्कॅबिलिटी. However, adding extra water to the concrete mix can be disadvantageous. The strength of concrete may get reduced. More quantity of water comes out from the surface of concrete, resulting into bleeding. Cement slurry also escapes through the joints of formwork, resulting into the loss of cement from concrete. आता दुसरा मुद्दा पाहूया. The size of aggregate. Workability is mainly governed by the maximum size of aggregate. Water and paste required will be not less if a chosen size of aggregate for concrete is bigger. Consequently, for a given quantity of water content and paste, bigger size aggregate will give higher workability. Third mudda, the shape of aggregate. The shape of aggregate seriously influences the workability of concrete. Angular, flaky, or elongated aggregate reduce the workability of concrete. Rounded or sub-rounded aggregates increase the workability due to the reduction of surface area for a given volume or weight. Therefore, an excess paste is available to give better lubricating effect. Rounded shape aggregate has a less frictional resistance and give a high workability as compared to angular, flaky or elongated aggregates. चौथा मुद्दा आहे surface texture of aggregate. The roughly textured aggregate have more surface area than smoothly rounded aggregate of the same value. Smooth rounded or glossy aggregate will give better workability than roughly textured aggregate. Reduction of interparticle frictional resistance offered by smooth aggregates also contribute to higher workability. Number 5, the porosity of aggregate. Porous and non-saturated aggregate will require more water than non-absorbent aggregate. For the same degree of workability, latter will require less water. Overall, this factor is only for secondary importance. Number 6, grading of aggregate. Grading of aggregate has the greatest influence on workability. The better the grading of aggregates, the less is the amount of void in concrete. So well-graded aggregate should be used. When total voids are less in concrete, the excess paste is available to give better lubricating effect. Number 7, use of concrete admixtures. This is one of the commonly used method to enhance the workability of concrete. Concrete admixtures such as plasticizer and superplasticizers greatly improve the workability. And number 8, temperature. In hot weather, if temperature increases, the evaporation rate of mixing water also increases and hence fluid viscosity increases too. And these phenomena affect the flowability of concrete, and due to fast hydration of concrete, it will gain strength earlier, which decrease the workability of fresh concrete. तर मित्रांनो, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये इतकंच. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ. धन्यवाद.